Hello viewers, earlier this month I mentioned that Microsoft had broken the media creation tool just before the end of Windows 10 support. That issue was with version 26.100.6584 released on September 29, 2025. At that time, Microsoft stated that the tool might not working properly on Windows 10 devices. This caused a lot of frustration for many users. The good news is that Microsoft has now released an updated version of the media creation tool on October 28, which was just yesterday in my region. This new version works perfectly. If we check my download folder, you can see the older version that didn't work and the new one I downloaded today, version 26.100.7019, which run without any problem. I just wanted to update you that the Windows 11 media creation tool is now working correctly with this latest version. As a reminder, this tool is used to create a bootable USB or DVD to reinstall or perform a clean installation of Windows 11 on a new or existing PC. Everything is now working fine and I wanted to share this update since the previous version was causing issues for many users. Microsoft has not explained why the older version 26.100.6584 was not working. They only mention it might close unexpectedly without showing any error message. They also have not shared that was fixed, but at least the problem is solved now. The Windows 11 media creation tool has been updated, so feel free to download the latest version if you are interested. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.